Hello everyone, good afternoon. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nur Habiba. You can call me Biba. I am 18 years old. I was born in Bulukumba, February 16, 2006. I originally come from Bulukumba, South Sulawesi, but now living in Poman, North Sulawesi. My hobbies are singing, cooking, and listening to music. That's all about me. Thank you for your attention. One night it'll be depending on the day.